Ever wondered how dogs react to mind-blowing magic? Well, get ready for some of the funniest, most adorable reactions you've ever seen. Stay till the end for the ultimate surprise. Ball disappears. Wait a minute, where did it go? Somebody call Sherlock Bones. We've got a mystery on our hands. Owner disappears. Uh-oh, we might have broken the dog. Poof. Doggo has no idea what just happened. Owner makes different sounds. Error 404, owner not found. Pup.exe has stopped working. Reboot required. And that's a wrap. Which reaction was your favorite? Let us know and don't forget to like and subscribe for more adorable fun.